Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets continued advancing on reports of potential ceasefire progress, though oil prices remained elevated near $100 per barrel. The combination reflects cautious optimism about de-escalation, alongside persistent energy market uncertainty, with risk sentiment improving incrementally. Corporate Bitcoin accumulation in March was dominated by strategies purchases, with the company accounting for the majority of publicly disclosed corporate treasury activity. Bitcoin ETF products recorded strong net inflows during the period, continuing the pattern of institutional capital deployment into regulated digital asset vehicles. Congressional committees advanced the Clarity Act through additional legislative steps, with lawmakers expressing support for comprehensive digital asset market structure legislation. The bill addresses regulatory jurisdiction between agencies and classification frameworks for digital assets. Mining company BitMine announced expansion of its share repurchase authorization to $4 billion and completed its transfer to the New York Stock Exchange from its previous listing venue. The corporate actions reflect the company's financial positioning and pursuit of increased market visibility. A solo Bitcoin miner successfully validated a block and received the full block reward of approximately $222,000, despite odds estimated at roughly 1 in 100,000, given current network hash rate distribution. The event represents a rare occurrence of individual mining success in a network dominated by industrial-scale operations. Spot cryptocurrency trading volumes declined nearly 20% in March compared to February, reflecting reduced market activity across major exchanges. The decrease coincides with the period of range-bound price action and defensive sentiment that characterized much of the month. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:05 Central European Time, the market shows strong positive momentum. MON up 17.60%, Zcash adding 17.06%, and Athena gaining 10.10%. Double-digit strength across newer Layer 1 protocols, privacy platforms, and synthetic dollar infrastructure. On the downside, losses are minimal and contained. Bitcoin Cash down 1.50%, Algorand off 0.56%, and Ondo declining just 0.24%. Selling pressure negligible with all losses under 2%, representing a decisive shift in market structure where gains substantially outpace downside. The pattern shows a return to risk-on conditions after yesterday's profit-taking session, with meaningful upside reappearing while selling remains subdued. Market structure reflects renewed buying interest following the brief consolidation, though the concentration of double-digit gains in select protocols suggests selective rather than broad-based participation. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index edges up to 44, recovering 1 point from yesterday's 43 reading and remaining in neutral territory. The modest improvement reflects today's positive market structure, where double-digit gains substantially outpaced minimal losses, stabilizing sentiment after yesterday's brief pullback. The index has oscillated between 43 and 46 over the past 3 sessions, consolidating within the lower end of the neutral zone following the recovery from the 28 low. Market psychology appears to be establishing a baseline in the low to mid-40s, though conditions have yet to demonstrate sustained momentum toward higher neutral or greed levels. The stability around 44 suggests sentiment is holding above the fear threshold at 40, despite the volatility in daily price action. However, the narrow range and quick sensitivity to profit-taking indicate market psychology remains tentative, with neutral sentiment not yet solidified as participants continue to navigate geopolitical uncertainty and fluctuating risk appetite. That's your Bitcoin Swiss daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.